artists! I missed you so much! I know, I've been away for a few days. Something unexpected happened. But guess what? I'm back now! And I'm super happy to be with you again. From today, we're going to draw and color lots of fun and cute things together. Are you ready to start our new drawing adventure? What should we draw today? Roar! Did you hear that? Yup, today we're drawing a cute and friendly dinosaur. So grab your crayons, stay with me till the end, and let's make it colorful together. And hey, don't forget to subscribe, give a big like, and tap that bell so you never miss the fun. Cute dino is all drawn. Now it's time for the fun part, coloring. This is where the magic happens. Stay with me. Let's see what colors make our dino super awesome. I can't wait to start. Are you ready? Let's go!
Green.
Make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos.
Pink.
If you liked it so far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos.
Blue.
Aw, it's time to say goodbye for now. I had so much fun drawing with you today. Let's all hope nothing bad happens again, okay? Please keep your fingers crossed for me. I'll be back really soon with more cute and fun drawings, I promise. So be ready for our next colorful adventure. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and tap the bell so you won't miss what's coming next. Love you all, little artists. Love you too. Bye-bye.